Hey, Tiana here from Mind Body Movement Center. This is your short, high intensity interval training. It's a more gentle version, so nothing too aggressive here. But just to get you moving through some exercises, we're gonna start with some stretch ups, warm ups, and then get into some legs and arms. So let's just come with feet about hip width apart. We'll just start to warm up here, doing a side stretch. So I like to sometimes push through the toes and reach up through the opposite side and then come back to center. You can always keep that other foot grounded if you'd like. One more to each. Last one. All right, keep those feet planted. We're going to close the thumbs in towards the palms and start to circle. As you circle, you're going to start to bring the arms out to the side, so roughly parallel to the floor, until they come just a little bit back behind you, and then start to circle the opposite direction coming forward. Keep breathing, switch it up. Good, last one. All right, do a little shake out. We're gonna bring those palms forward, so you're gonna punch the palms forward and then curl them back and bring them back behind you. Punch it forward, inhale, push it out, exhale. Two more. Last one. Good. Punch it out to the sides, palms up, draw the elbows by your sides. Push it out, inhale, exhale, pull it in. Two more. All right, we're gonna warm up those legs a little bit in first a modified high knees, or yes, high knees. So you can keep like this. If you want a little bit more speed and bounce, you're welcome to make it into a little bit of a jog here. If you have osteoporosis or anything that just doesn't feel safe doing this, just go back to the slower version. Still a great warm up, just no ego here, just do what you need to do. All right, we're here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's grab those light weights. I've got 5 pounds. You can certainly go anywhere from 1 to 3 to 5. Let's take it out into a wide position, kind of goddess posed legs. Feet are out, heels are slightly in. When you come down to goddess, it looks like this from the front, and it looks like this from the side. So try not to tuck the tailbone. I always say it's not attractive, nor is it very functional. We really need those glutes to be able to sit back in the chair, get out of a chair, climb stairs. All right, let's come down, goddess pose, and we're gonna do a tap down and a tap up. So you make this circular motion, join me if you like, when you're ready. If you want more challenge, you just sit a little lower. If you want more challenge in your core, arms can be out a little bit more in front of you rather than close to you. All right, keep going, tap up, tap down. Breathing. Shoulders relaxed, even though they're working, they're out of your ears. Good, for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Good, let's roll those shoulders out. We're gonna do our fierce goddess pose punch. So when you're ready, settle down into goddess pose, soften the tailbone, bring the arms to center, you're gonna punch across. Exhale, inhale brings you in. Exhale, inhale brings you in. Join me when you're ready. We got 10 of these. If you're looking for a little more cardio, you can speed it up. If you're looking for more stability and strength, and you're just being mindful of your shoulders and your arms, go a little slower. 3 more. Last one. Good, bring it up, shake it out. I'm gonna drop one weight down, we're gonna keep one weight. Hands are gonna hold this, so it's called a goblet squat. So go to goblet, and then we're gonna do some side lifts from here. So as you drop down, inhale, you're gonna push that weight down, and exhale, you're gonna lift it up. Inhale. Exhale, join me when you're ready. You can always have the choice to not go down as far. This is not a goal of getting as low as you can go. I want you to feel nourished and strong. Inhale. Exhale, shoulders out or elbows out, shoulders broad. Let's go 4 more. 3 and 4. Great, good. Just let the weight rest, maybe rock it out. Let's step it in just for a roll out. And I'm actually gonna set the weight down for a moment. Come down with your feet about hip width apart, hands on your thighs. We're gonna do kind of a mini cat and cow here. So you're gonna tuck the tailbone, round into the upper back, let the head drop. So kind of drawing the belly skin inward. And then inhale, untuck the tailbone, arch the back, draw the shoulders back, lift the chin. So 2 more like that. Breathing out and breathing in. Last one. All right, slowly rise up, release. We're gonna bring that weight back in. Take the legs out to that wide stance. So we're gonna add our goblet squat in with a side step. So here's how it goes. We drop to goblet squat, we rise up, we take weight onto one leg and a lift, set it back down and come back right into goblet. Come back to lift, push off, lift, and you're back to goblet. Okay, join me now if that feels safe. If you'd rather keep a foot at all times on the ground, keep it on the ground at all times, like so. So this would be the modification, where you don't have to completely lift that leg. Join me with the push off if you'd like, if it feels safe today. Nice and controlled. So I'm inhaling at the squat, exhaling to push off. Let's go 3 more to each. That's 1. That's 2. And last one, both sides. All right, good job. Come on up, release. Let's set the weight down for the moment. Just take a bit of a shake off. Shoulder rolls. All right, we're gonna grab those weights one last time. Feet about hip width apart. We're gonna come do a multi-move squat here. So I'll show you and then you'll join me. Sit back into squat, draw those shoulder blades together, bring the arms back behind you. You're gonna rise up to bicep curl, turn the palms facing one another, and then you're gonna punch to the sky. Back down, and we start over. Okay, so join me now. I'll show the front version. Fly back, bicep, turn to face, punch up, back down, back to the start. Okay, join me. Punch, reverse, come back, sit back, palms facing, squeeze back, bicep curl, punch up, come down, triceps extension, reverse it, keep going. Oops, want to go right back into it. Good, let's go 2 more. Thighs are pressing out. If the whole reach up isn't there, just go halfway, do what you can. Last one. Good, and release. All right, roll out, roll out, roll out. Let's just do 1 more. So I'm gonna step the legs wide. You're gonna turn the right foot towards the short side of the mat. Hips are roughly square towards your front of your mat. Elbows stay on the side with the palms up. This is kind of like the move we did in the beginning. You're gonna bend into that front knee and reach those arms out and then pull it back in. Good. Speed it up if you want a little more cardio here. So it's a little bit of a bicep curl, a little bit of a shoulder, legs. Let's go for 3, 2, and 1. Good. Come back to center. Pause. We're off to the other side. So step it out. Left foot comes out. Hips are square. Knee roughly glides over the front foot. Bring those elbows in and we're going to reach it out. Bend in. Inhale, exhale. Good. Speed it up if you want more cardio. Slow it down if you don't. Or if you're just working with an injury or something like that. Good. Let's go for 3, 2, and 1. Good. Bring it back in. Let's set those weights down. Take it into a stretch back behind you. Clasp those hands. Take them down towards the floor. Open up the shoulders. Bend the knees slightly as we inhale. Draw the arms away. Exhale back to center. 2 more. Last one. Good. Come back to center. Take your right arm across. Hook the elbow right on the outer arm. Draw the shoulders back as you're starting to bring that right arm towards you. Keep the shoulder blade heading towards the wall behind you. Breathe here. Try not to overarch the back. So sometimes we can kind of get into this like this. So just kind of keep more of a neutral spine. 1 more breath. Good. Open it up. Inhale. Reverse it. Left arm over. Hook that elbow in. Draw the shoulders back and down. Good. Keep breathing. Maybe 2 more breaths. All right. Take an inhale. Gather it all up. Palms come together. Exhale. 1 part gratitude, 2 part wrist stretch. All right. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.